First-order logic, FOL, plays a crucial role in knowledge engineering in artificial intelligence, AI. Knowledge engineering involves capturing and formalizing knowledge about a domain in a structured and computationally tractable form. FOL provides a powerful and expressive language for representing this knowledge, allowing AI systems to reason, infer, and make decisions based on it. In AI, knowledge engineering using FOL involves 1. Knowledge representation. FOL is used to represent facts, rules, and relationships within a domain. Predicates, functions, and quantifiers are employed to encode the properties and behaviors of objects and concepts in the domain. 2. Inference and reasoning. FOL enables automated reasoning and inference over the knowledge base. AI systems can derive new knowledge, make logical deductions, and answer queries by applying inference rules and logical principles. 3. Expert systems. FOL serves as the foundation for building expert systems, which are AI systems designed to emulate the decision-making process of human experts in a specific domain. Expert systems use FOL to encode expert knowledge and perform reasoning tasks. 4. Ontologies and knowledge graphs. FOL is used to formalize ontologies and knowledge graphs, which organize and structure knowledge in a domain. Ontologies define concepts, relationships, and axioms using FOL-based languages such as OWL, Web Ontology Language. 5. Natural language understanding. FOL is employed in natural language understanding tasks to interpret and analyze the meaning of natural language statements. Logical representations of language facilitate semantic parsing and understanding. 6. Automated planning. FOL is utilized in automated planning systems to represent the state of the world, actions, and goals. AI planners reason about possible actions and their effects using logical representations. Overall, first-order logic serves as a cornerstone in knowledge engineering in AI, providing a formal and systematic approach to representing, reasoning about, and utilizing knowledge in intelligent systems.